Hi everyone, Olivia here with Dumpling. Let's talk price estimates in the Dumpling app. If you came to Dumpling from another grocery delivery platform, you may notice that our in-app pricing is a little bit different than what you're used to. Dumpling provides price estimates for most items in the app. This means that we're pulling data from stores that post their item pricing online and providing you with those prices in the app. However, if a store doesn't post their pricing online, we calculate a national average for that item, and that's what you'll see as the price estimate. That being said, you will notice that some items in the app do not have price estimates. In this case, you can go ahead and input your own estimate, or you can input a max budget for that item. Prices always vary regionally or by time of year, depending on where you're ordering your groceries from. Many people ask, if these are only estimates, how will a customer know what they're paying for their groceries? In short, customers always pay in-store pricing, and they know this because they receive their receipt upon delivery of their groceries. One of the benefits of shopping with a Dumpling business owner is that you get to reap the benefits of any in-store sales, coupons, BOGO offers, membership discounts, or anything else your shopper has up their sleeve to help you save money. The price estimate function in the app is really meant to be used as a ballpark budgeting tool. In some cases, you'll notice that these estimates seem a little bit high. This is because we'd rather provide a small buffer so you are always paying an in-store price that is hopefully the same or less to the estimate that you see in the app for that item. We understand that this is different from other grocery delivery apps, but we don't think that customers should have to pay inflated prices. So, by providing price estimates, it's the best of both worlds. People who are looking for prices to budget are getting some information that could help them do so. Yet, all customers are ensured that they're always paying in-store prices. If you're feeling a little bit uncomfortable or the price estimate is new to you, here's a pro tip to make sure that you always know what price the item is before checkout. When you're making your list in the Dumpling app, go ahead and add a note to your item if you're concerned about the price. Ask your shopper to please contact you when they're in store with the price that they see on the shelf. This will ensure that you get to confirm that you want to purchase that item, or you can tell your shopper to skip it if you don't like the price. This is a great benefit of shopping with a Dumpling business owner. You get to communicate directly with a smart, customer service-driven individual who's happy to communicate with you throughout the shop to make sure that you get what you need and get better with every single shop.